Do you want to know how you can disable the sync contacts on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the sync contacts option on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Go to your menu, which is the three lines on the left hand side of your screen, and go to settings. Go ahead and click on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down until you see contacts. You can see your sync contacts is currently enabled. To disable it, click on this button and you can see that your sync contacts is now disabled. Let me show it to you once again by enabling it. Go ahead and open Telegram, go to your menu, click on settings and then click privacy and security. Scroll a bit down, find contacts, and you can see your sync contacts is currently disabled. To enable it and to get the contacts from your link, go ahead and enable it, and you can see that you will now start syncing the contacts which are on your phone. I hope this video about how you can disable the sync contacts on your Telegram was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.